welcome back to You Know Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I am going to be reviewing for you another wig from the Sensationnel line, and this time it's a braided wig, and I think she is adorable. This is what she looks like. We're going to find out more information about her when we talk about the specifications. So you know what to do, don't go anywhere, but I'll be back in a second. Specifications for this particular wig. This is a Swiss lace wig. It is 100% hand braided, a 4x4 hand tied parting. That's what it has, with individually braided strands. It has virtually undetectable HD lace. She has the natural edges with baby hair. She comes made with high quality fiber, and it is that lightweight braided hair. And you can set this particular wig with hot water. And the wig itself is 12 inches long. The color I'm going to be reviewing is the T1B27, and we'll be back wearing her. Before I put the wig on, let's look at the construction of the cap. So I'm going to turn her inside out, and she does have the adjustable band here. She does come with a comb in the back. For added security, we do have the stretchable band, and it does come with 2 combs on the right and left. Now remember, on the stock card it does say that it comes with a natural parting space here, but all of this is the lace front. So we'll be back. We do have the baby hairs. Hopefully you're able to see them on the sides here. And yeah, I'm excited. We'll be back wearing her. Oh my God, this is the wig for the summer. Oh, she is too cute. The color is T1B27. This is what she looks like up close. Oh my goodness, I found a braided wig for the summer, y'all. I found it. I like the long braided wigs, but I'm finding that I do like the shorter versions of wigs instead of the long ones, but that's just my preference. If you look closely, I added some hair jewelry here, and I took just a regular barrette and kind of moved this some of it over to the side. Oh, I am feeling myself. I love this particular wig. We're gonna do a 360 so that you can see all sides. Oh my, she is the wig. I will be rocking this summer. I've provided the specifications already for this particular wig, but some more information will be in the description box regarding this wig. Oh, she is adorable, y'all. Thanks for joining me again on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel, and we'll be back, next week for another wig review.